Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn how to crochet beautiful patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet beautiful flower blanket, soft texture pattern. You will need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Turkish yarn and yarn scraps as you like. First, make a slip knot. Chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook in the first chain, yarn over, then pull through, then yarn over, then pull through one loop on the hook. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over, then pull through one loop, yarn over again, then pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now you have foundation extended stitch. Repeat this. Yarn over, insert the hook in the foundation loop, yarn over, then pull through, then yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through one loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, then pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat the foundation extended double crochet stitch. Repeat your selected blanket size. Row 2, chain 2, turn your work. Then yarn over, insert the hook in the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through one, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to make the extended double crochet stitch. Repeat this extended double crochet stitch. Repeat your selected size. Fasten off and weaving ends. Add the flowers to the blanket. Add a sample recorder.